Hi, my name's Laurie Brooke and this is ourchildren.com.au. Today we are going to talk about complying with court orders, or more so what happens when a party isn't complying with court orders. So generally, if you have an order in place and you have a parent who is on a consistent basis not turning up to changeover on time, not dropping their children back on time, isn't complying with, maybe the denigration or being respectful, respecting their privacy or sharing information, a telephone contact, a number of different things could be taking place. You might be inclined to go, right, I want to have them punished. What we want you to do before you take that path is to stand back and try and ascertain what's happening. Is there a reason that they're late to changeover, that they can't get to that particular changeover point? Is there something behind the scenes that's going on in their life that makes it impossible for them to comply? Have their shifts changed at work so that they can't get to a changeover point on time anymore? Have they lost their license so they can't physically drop the kids off? What's going on that's preventing them from complying with the orders? If you take an approach such as this to start off with, not only are you going to reach a resolution much quicker, hopefully, but it will also be a resolution that both of you will be able to live with. You won't necessarily be happy with, but it will be something that you'll be able to live with in the long run. If you go down the path of instituting contravention proceedings straight away, then you're back in that court process and you're back in the realms of the court having to enforce an order or a punishment or a sanction on you. And let me say that if you're going to bring contravention proceedings, make sure that you're pretty clean, because it's likely that the other party is going to counterclaim and say that you've contravened the orders at some point in time. When you're looking at contravention proceedings too, the court's going to ask you in any event, what is it that you want? Do you want make-up time? Do you want the orders to be changed? Do you, what is it? What is the end result that you want? Why did you bring these proceedings in the first instance? So you need to have a clear goal or outcome in mind as to what it is that you want the court to do with regards to your application. Sometimes it might be easier and cheaper for you to go down the mediation path. And in some respects, you'll have to anyway, depending on how long it's been. But mediation might give you an idea as to, how you can both resolve the issues that are currently being faced. Because at the end of the day, the non-complying party needs to realise that the impact that it's having, yes, it's going to disrupt your life, but it's going to be having a greater impact on the children's lives as well, because they'll be the ones who expect to be picked up or expect to be dropped off, and that's not taking place. And then they'll have the ongoing consequences of whoever it is being anxious or stressed. And so next time that time comes about, there's going to be heightened anxiety. So do remember that. Try and always look for the best possible resolution to the matter, as opposed to going guns blazing and going straight off to court. See you next time.